Hey everybody, it's Lisa and
Rob
behind the camera. We're a couple of pickers and we won an online auction last night, so we're on our way today to pick it up. So come with us and see what we won. I'll be back.
Okay.
Got it.
Next.
I don't have my invoice, but I bought the big Florida guy. I bought the big dog.
What's the username?
Florida guy.
Oh, sorry. You just said that.
That's okay. With the mask, it's funky.
It's a necessary evil. Wrinkles.
Oh, he's so cool.
It's 1404.
I've got 4 cents.
Awesome.
So 1, 2. And I've got more pennies in there. 3, 4.
Okay.
There it comes.
Okay. Hide him from my granddaughter.
Oh, okay. Yeah. He's awesome. I had one that didn't have the clothes on him, so now I have one that has clothes on. That's pretty cool. I have probably about 5 of the little ones, and now this is the second big one. So, is that the last one for this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's the one item.
All right.
How you doing?
Good.
We'll be right with you.
Username?
ZCook03.
That's all you needed from me, right? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's dark.
I'm a giant plush.
Yeah.
You love me?
Yeah.
Since I sold one of these for what, about 150 something all in?
No, 140.
140. And I think I paid, well, she just told me what I paid.
1404 with tax and
Auction fees.
yeah.
So 1404.
30% off for cash.
And he has his clothes on. Look. He has his full little suit on with his pocket, and he's got a bone. He has his own little bone to chew.
His collar.
Tag.
The other one that we had?
I don't know. And there you go. I'm gonna make a lot of money. I like giant plush. Ready to go?
Yep.
All right. All right. See y'all later.